Third phase of moon. Third.
Welcome back to Third Phase of Moon. My name's Blake Cousins, and we're on location for Hangar 52, our latest, biggest project we've been working on. We've been shy on some UFO videos, but we're about to share some incredible exclusives that we got right here at Third Phase of Moon. Randy Evans submits this incredible photo from Google Image right there at Area 51. Could this be reverse alien engineered technology? Take a look.
Another image over Area 51. Randy notices a rectangular object casting a shadow. Now another shocking image from Google Image captured by Randy of what looks to be a triangular shaped formation. What are these rigid lines? Let's get a closer look.
Phase of moon.
Now, a video submitted by Chris Chapman along with his 4 children witnessed an incredible sighting in the night skies over Carlsbad. Take a look at this video. There's some very authentic reactions to this UFO encounter.
Daddy, what is that?
Shut your mouth.
That's it. What the fuck is that? Oh my god.
It's getting bigger on my camera.
Shut up on the video.
Wait.
It's huge.
Looks like a moon. An orb.
Don't talk. Does it look like a triangle to you?
You're tripping.
It could be 3. I think it's just the brightness of it throwing your eyes off. I think it's 1 solid.
Kaylee, you keep bumping my camera, I'm gonna throw you out of here. Look at my screen, Jeremy. Look at my screen.
I know it's doing that on mine too.
Oh, it's 3. It's got three lines, 3 dots. Look. I gotta get stable, man.
It's moving to the left slowly but surely.
Sure.
This is my first time I've ever seen a UFO. Dad, look after you, man.
You're talking all over the video. I can't even submit it to MUFON.
Break it down.
Maybe it's okay, let's drive there.
Holy crap.
Holy.
It's getting brighter.
Alright. Some shit breaks down right now. We're all hopping in Dad's car. We're all square right
Oh,
north
man,
up the
this is
coast.
epic, guys. Be quiet.
North up the coast, alright. We're gathering food and supplies in the cameo. Guys are along the way. First
I think it's some joke. Isn't that fucking funny, man?
Oh, it's getting dimmer.
What is that? It's the top of a telephone power line.
No, it's not there.
What is that?
Just talk to the whole damn video. Go ahead.
Wow, Dad.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa!
Christian!
Oh, god damn!
Dude.
Another one just, oh my god!
Oh,
That one's going!
hey,
That one's dimming!
That one's going away. What in the...
Dad! Oh my god!
What the fuck?
Oh my god, Dad!
Oh my god, I got that on film.
Oh my god!
Oh my
It just disappeared and it moved that way.
If you, shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up.
One went away and the other one came. Oh my
It's
god.
brighter. Oh my god.
Alright guys, everybody get your fucking shoes on.
Come on, man.
I want my brothers. Oh my god, what the heck? Yeah, see shit. I can't see.
What a ridiculous sighting this is.
Please tell me you got that.
You're fucking touching me and talking. I'm like, fucking god. Here comes a plane.
Stop guys.
I can't believe that just happened.
Unidentified flying object.
Holy shit. I can't believe one frickin' popped in and the other one went away. I can't believe it. This, you guys.
Unidentified flying object. Unidentified flying object.
There's more than one. That's the thing. The one went out and this one came in. Holy shit. Look at my screen. Oh my God.
It's hell lighting up over there.
Oh shit.
Oh my God, it's like...
Is it a triangle? Look at my screen, Jeremy.
Oh, I see it. Zoom in. Oh, I see it.
Looks like a circle on your screen.
It's triangle.
Until look there, you can see 3 lights right there, like 3 corners.
That's bright though.
This sightings been going on for more than 7 minutes.
Oh shit. It got brighter. What the fuck am I witnessing right now, bro?
You guys think it's funny?
That's not from this world, I'll tell you that right now.
Third
It's going out.
phase
Shit.
unknown.
Stay here.
We want to thank everybody from around the world who submit their incredible videos to us right here at Third Phase of Moon and the incredible information coming through the net. And if you've captured anything amazing, send it to us via Skype, Facebook, and Twitter. We'd love to take a look at your videos. And for more information on the behind the scenes of Hangar 52, check out our thirdphaseofmoon.net website. It's in the description. My name is Blake Cousins, and we'll see you again next time.
Third phase unknown. Third phase unknown. Third phase unknown.